Brethren, let us not also be engaged into sin as we restore others. As I conclude, brethren, at times in our Christian experience, we face challenges to restore people that are in sin because they are not even willing to come back. There are instances that the carnal behavior prevails to an extent that this person cannot be restored back. But we are called not to give up. We should have a commitment to restore those that are in trouble and bring them back so that they can experience the power of our Lord Jesus Christ.